Today, I'm making the most famous and delicious Turkish lahmacun. It's so tasty, you'll want to make it every week. Dough, all-purpose flour, 1½ cup. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Instant yeast, 1 teaspoon. Warm water, 3/4 cup. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Knead well until the dough is smooth. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Vegetable mixture: half red bell pepper, half green bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, half onion, 1 tomato, 2 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro. Instructions: 1. Grind all the vegetables together. Ground veal, 700 gram, oil, 2 tablespoons. Tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Divide the dough into 7 small balls. Roll each one out very thin. Place on a baking tray and spread a thin, even layer of the meat mixture on top. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees, 230. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and crispy. Repeat until all 7 lahmacun are baked. It has an incredible taste. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another easy and simple recipe. Have a lovely week!